Have you ever wondered how companies manage their financial data and control their business processes? Enter SAP FICO, an essential cog in the machinery of SAP ERP systems. This powerful tool streamlines financial management, making it efficient and effective. It's like the central nervous system of a company's financial health, keeping track of every penny coming in and going out. SAP FICO stands for Financial Accounting (FI) and Controlling (CO), two of the most critical functions in any business. Let's dive deeper and understand the components of SAP FICO. The system is primarily composed of two main elements: financial accounting, often abbreviated as FI, and controlling, known as CO. Financial accounting is all about external reporting, ensuring transparency and compliance with regulations. On the other hand, controlling is all about internal reporting, providing key insights and data to facilitate better decision-making within the company. Together, FI and CO form the backbone of any company's financial management system. Now, you might be thinking, what's in it for me? Well, SAP FICO opens up a plethora of career opportunities. You could become a SAP FICO consultant, guiding businesses through their financial processes, or perhaps a SAP FICO analyst, interpreting data to drive financial decisions. You might even aspire to be a SAP FICO project manager, leading teams to successful project completion. The demand for these skills spans across industries, making you a hot commodity. With a skill set in SAP FICO, you could be an invaluable asset to any organization, big or small. So there you have it, a comprehensive overview of SAP FICO. We've explored what it is, delved deep into its key components, and illuminated the myriad of career opportunities it offers. From financial accounting to controlling operations, SAP FICO is a dynamic tool with vast scope in the current industry. If you're interested in pursuing a career in SAP FICO, consider enrolling in our comprehensive training program at CADD Nest, where we provide the best training at affordable prices. Ready to take the next step in your career? It's time to put your newfound knowledge into action by enrolling for our SAP FICO course at CADD Nest. Learn from industry experts and gain practical experience with real-world case studies. Our comprehensive course will equip you with the necessary skills to excel in SAP FICO, unlocking a world of new career opportunities. Don't wait. Enroll today and kickstart your journey with SAP FICO at CADD Nest. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step, and your first step is right here at CADD Nest.